130. How many Spanish ships initially set out from Portugal? Kent. The Spanish fleet wanted to land here. May 29, 1588, the date the Armada was first spotted. Lizard Point. The place the Armada was first spotted. August 7, 1588. On what night did England send 8 fireships across the Channel, causing chaos to the Spanish fleet? August 9, 1588. The date the wind scattered the Spanish ships. Protestant Wind. The name Elizabeth gave to the winds that scattered the ships. "44. The number of wrecked Spanish ships. 80. The number of ships that returned to Spain. August. Spanish soldiers starting suffering from malnutrition. Converted merchant ships. The type of ships that Spaniards had. Luck. A key factor in the English victory. Tactics. The English used tactics to scatter Spanish ships. Philip II's command. Philip did not communicate well with his men.